Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best carpet cleaner machine you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best carpet cleaner on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which carpet cleaner are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine Professional Grade Carpet Cleaner achieves a whole new level of clean with its powerful motors and extra large brush roll to pull out deep down dirt. It's made of super durable, high quality materials for sturdy, anti-tip design, and features robust workmanship from top to bottom. The Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine out-cleans the leading rental carpet cleaner. Its capable cleaning path width is 10.5 inch. For details, let's watch more. Our second best carpet cleaner machine is Bissell Antibacterial Carpet Cleaner. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro handles tough pet messes thanks to the exclusive Pet Pro cleanup system. The system includes clean shot pre-treated to remove spots and stains. Deep Clean Mode offers powerful cleaning to out-clean the leading rental, and carpets dry in about 30 minutes with Express Clean Mode. All of this cleaning power comes in a lightweight and maneuverable machine with a low-profile foot that gets under furniture. With the Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro, you have everything you need to take on tough pet messes. Lightweight design and low-profile foot makes it easy to use and maneuver around furniture. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Hoover Smart Wash Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Smart Wash Automatic Carpet Cleaner machine eliminates the guesswork with automatic cleaning technology that makes carpet cleaning as easy as vacuuming. Simply push forward to clean, pull back to dry. There has no multiple buttons and no solution measuring, no hassle. Just seriously simple and seriously powerful. Remove deep down embedded dirt with flex force power brushes. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Bissell Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Spot Clean Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner is our most powerful spot and stain cleaner. It uses a combination of superior suction, scrubbing action and specially formulated Bissell cleaning solutions to remove spots, stubborn stains and embedded dirt. This compact, 13-pound machine is easy to take to hard-to-reach areas, so you can remove spot and stains from carpets, area rugs, stairs, upholstery, auto interiors, and similar soft surfaces. Includes a 6-inch stair tool, which makes cleaning stairs easy. Let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best carpet cleaner machine is Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. The Neat Steam Cleaner is an efficient, ultra-reliable do-it-all cleaning and sanitation solution. Designed for performance, ease of use and durability, this steam cleaner delivers the cleaning power of much larger professional units. It can easily remove dirt, grease, and stains while killing 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, pathogens, bedbugs, mold and other undesirables from any type of floors, furniture, toys, kitchen appliances, car interiors, grout and tiles, bathrooms and more. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick list for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!